Hello, lovelies. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing well. Yeah, it's so nice to be back again. So, guys, in this particular video, we are going to be making boiled yam and fish sauce, and it promised to be a very quick one, but really delicious, guys. So, guys, to my clean pot, I added my already clean fish, and I added some seasoning powder, chopped onion, chili flakes, some thyme, and then I'll add some mixed herb. So after doing that, I'm just going to go ahead and add some water just to allow this to cook properly. Yeah. So I'll add that, and then I'll just give it a good mix, cover, and set aside. So while our fish is cooking, let's start preparing our sauce. So guys, for the sauce, we are going to be needing oil. Allow that to heat up, and then I'll go ahead and add my chopped onion. Maybe sliced though. Sliced onion, sorry. So guys, there's something missing here. My chopped garlic and ginger. Oh my god. I ran out of it, guys. So I just had to make do with what I have, and what I have is onion. And yeah, so I went ahead to add the sliced onion, and I'll just spice this up a bit, just to season the oil and to get the onion delicious. And so I went ahead to add some thyme, pepper flakes, mixed herb, seasoning powder, and some bay leaf. Yes, guys. So, guys, when I added that, I'll just give it a mix. So, the idea is not to allow this to fry that much. I just want the sweetness of the onion to get infused in the oil, and not over frying it. So guys, I'll be frying this for like maybe 1 minute or 50 seconds. Yeah, will do. And then I'll go ahead and add my sliced red bell pepper. Guys, this recipe is very fast, very easy to put together. You don't have to waste time at all. Yeah, I have just a tiny little bit of chopped tomatoes. I'll add that to it. This recipe doesn't really call for tomato, but I just decided to add that, just that tiny bit, it won't hurt. So I added that to it, and I'll just give that a very good mix, and I'll allow this to cook for like 2 minutes. Yes, guys, 2 minutes. So after I let it cook for 2 minutes, we'll come back to it. So, guys, let me know, how do you enjoy your yam? Because to me, I enjoy my yam with sauce mostly. Yes, it's not like I can eat my yam with egg. I enjoy, but the one I love most is with sauce, especially fish sauce, and not just any kind of fish, mackerel fish. Yes, guys. So, guys, while our stew was getting ready, you saw me. I went ahead to check on our fish, and that is ready. I just set that aside, and now I'll go ahead and add our sliced green pepper. So guys, you can see this sauce is really has a lot of vegetables, so it's actually really really healthy and also delicious. How about that? Healthy doesn't have to be boring. Let me just put it like that. So guys, yes, I added that, and I'll just when I added that, I tasted it, and I realized that the it wasn't hot enough for me, so I went ahead to add just a little bit of white pepper, just to spice it up a bit. Yeah. So after doing that, I'll just leave that to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, you know. Then I'll go ahead and debone our fish, making sure that all of the bones are out, you know. Yeah, so I'll just go ahead and do that. So, guys, if you are watching up to this moment, please ensure to like the video, give me a thumbs up, please, and please watch my ads, guys. Please watch my ads, help my ministry, please. Please don't skip my ads, please watch my ads. Thank you as you do so. Okay, so guys, this is our deboned fish. I'll just add it to the sauce, and after adding that to the sauce, I'll go ahead and mix it together. And guys, believe me, I'll after mixing it together, I'll just leave it to cook for another like 1 minute, and guys, our sauce is ready. Yeah, isn't this just easy? It is easy, it is delicious. I hope you try this recipe. It is very easy to put together. You don't have to, the only thing that will just take your time maybe is the slicing of the vegetables, and but when that is done, believe me, this sauce will not take you more than 20 minutes to put together. And it's so delicious too, guys. Yeah, I hope you'll try it. So, guys, now we have our yam. This is what yam look like. If you have not seen yam before, yeah, this is what yam looks like. So I'm just going to go ahead. That I'll be slicing the yam and putting it in water, just so it doesn't brown up while I'm doing so. So as I'm cutting it, I'll peel off the skin, and then I'll put it in the water. So guys, I want to appreciate at this point, I want to appreciate you all for always coming back to watch my videos. You guys are the real MVP. Yeah, the reason why I always come back to make all these recipes. Without your support, there won't be any motivation for me to do the things I do. So guys, I appreciate you all. Uh, I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for always coming back to watch my video, guys. So yes, guys. I've finished peeling off the yam. I went ahead to clean it. You want to make sure you clean your yam very well, because if not, it might start itching your mouth. Yes. So I'll just put it and allow it to cook for like 20 minutes. The yam doesn't take too long to cook. And now our yam is ready. You can see I added some onion just to, add some flavor to it. Not just for anything, just to add some flavor to it. And now our yam is ready. I drain out the water, and this is our sauce. I'll just go ahead and serve my food. And guys, here it is, guys. So guys, I appreciate you all. Thank you all for always coming back to watch my video. If you are new here, please be sure to like, subscribe, and most importantly, turn on the notification bell, because that's the only way you're going to know when we upload a new video. And with that, guys, I want to say thank you once again, and bye.